come running to Israel. Because y'all gonna realize that the laws of the Most High are fair, man. Alright, so since we're in a time of war, what time is it for you Negroes? Romans chapter 13, verse 11. It's time for you guys to wake the hell up, man. Okay? Like we said, they showing you that they talking about economic collapse, race tension, going to war with Syria. Okay, Israel this week can't stop talking about bombing Iran. Okay, once they drop the bomb in Iran, that's it. World War III is going to start. And the scriptures say that surely the least of the flock shall draw them out. What does it mean, the least of the flock? Meaning of the flock of the Gentiles' kingdom. The lowest kingdom of all the Gentiles, the welfare kingdom, is them fake Jews. They gotta run to America for support. They're the least of the flock. They don't have no strong economy. They have to depend on America's economy. But I thought those people in the land were the real Jews. If it was the real Jews, the God of Israel should be provided for them.
Right.
Not this homosexual kingdom.
That's right.
Why are them fake Jews running to a land that breaks God's laws, statutes, and commandments for help?
That's right.
That proves that they're not the real Jews.
That's right.
Because God would be defending them just like how he defended Solomon, King David, and all the rest of our righteous kings that were before us. So those people in the land of Israel, they ain't the real Jews. And them Zionists ain't nothing but the offspring of the Satan in the flesh.
Right.
Fake Jews. The Lord gonna smoke them damn fake Jews, man. And the Lord say, behold, you fake Jews out here that claim to be Jewish. He said, you guys are the synagogue of Satan.
That's
man.
Right.
So go on now.
Romans chapter 13, verse 11.
Yup.
And that knowing the time, that now it is high time to awake out of sleep.
Yup.
For now is our salvation nearer than when we believe.
Now this is Paul speaking. Who did Paul speak to? Hold that. Give me Romans chapter 10, verse 1. Who was the Apostle Paul mainly about getting his message to? Was he concerned about all nations? Did he want all nations to get saved? Let's find out. Romans chapter 10, verse 1. Go on now.
Romans chapter 10, verse 1.
This is the Apostle Paul. Everybody likes to talk about, but Paul said that the Gentiles are going to be saved with Israel. But let's see what Paul says right here. Go on now.
Brethren, my heart's desire and prayer to God for Israel is.
No, wait. For Israel and the other nations.
My heart's desire and prayer to God for Israel is.
What?
That they might be saved.
Paul was concerned about Israel. We just read it in Romans the 10th chapter in the first verse. So let's go back to who's the salvation he's talking to.
Romans chapter 13, verse 11.
Yup.
And that knowing the time, that now it is high time to wake out of sleep.
And now it's high time to wake out of sleep, you blacks and Hispanics, man. See, right now we're being made a spectacle for y'all, man. We out here doing this for the Lord to wake up the elect.
Right.
We don't care if people think we're crazy or not, because it's going to happen anyway.
That's right.
Okay? So go on now.
For now is our salvation nearer than when we believe.
Whose salvation? Or everybody's salvation? Or is it all these white people on the bus? Salvation? Hold that. Give me Isaiah. Isaiah chapter 45, verse 17. We already read in Isaiah 62 that he promised salvation to the daughter of Zion, but maybe it changed. Maybe it changed. Maybe God is forgetting things. No, because in Malachi chapter 3, verse 6, he says he changes not.
Right.
So the Lord ain't changing. So go on now.
Isaiah chapter 45, verse 17. But Israel shall be saved in the Lord.
But Israel, the blacks and Hispanics, the real children of Israel, not them dumb fake Jews over there in the land of Israel. Go on.
But Israel shall be saved in the Lord with an everlasting salvation.
Wait. Now hold that. Go back to Romans. I told you to hold that. Romans 13:11. Okay, let's put the 2 and 2 together, because we didn't know the Apostle Paul taught from the Old Testament. So go on.
Romans chapter 13, verse 11.
Go on.
And that knowing the time, that now it is high time to wake out of sleep.
Go on.
For now is our salvation nearer when we believe.
So who was salvation promised to? Hold that and go to Isaiah again.
Isaiah chapter 45, verse 17.
Go on.
But Israel shall be saved in the Lord with an everlasting salvation.
So when the Apostle Paul is saying, for now is our salvation near, he was only talking about the children of Israel. He ain't talking about all the Gentiles, because the Gentiles are already in their salvation. They already got everything. They got the big high-rise apartments. They got the airplanes. They got the money. They got the gold. They got the power. They got the kingdoms. You damn devils got everything. So this doesn't apply to you. So you telling me you gonna get everything on this side, and then when Christ come back, you get everything on that side? But don't the scriptures say that the last shall be first and the first shall be last?
Right.
So you devils are first on this side and you gonna be last on our side.
Right.
And when we get in our kingdom, we gonna be first and you gonna be last.
That's right.
Simple as that. The Most High is fair, man. Going up.
Romans 7:13, verse 11.
Yeah.
And that knowing the time, and now it is high time to awake out of sleep. For now is our salvation nearer than when we believe.
Yeah, for now is our salvation nearer than what we believe. So he's talking about Israel. And what are some of the things that our people need to be doing? Maybe they should be kicking back and relaxing in America. Going up.
The night is far spent, the day is at hand.
What is the night? Darkness. And this is the night. We're living in the night. Even though it's daytime, we're still in the night. Because this land ain't nothing but darkness. It ain't nothing but a bunch of sin. And what is sin? Breaking the laws, statutes, and commandments.
Right.
You ain't got nothing but a bunch of homosexuals, lesbians, pedophiles, rapists, murderers, adulterers, adulteresses, thieves, roaming the streets of America all free, man. This is darkness, man.
That's right.
And then when you when you look at this society, it promotes everything that's wicked. Going up.
Verse 12. The night is far spent.
Yeah, and the night is coming to an end, man. Our kingdom, Christ is coming back with that light, man. This world is almost over with, man. Going up.
The night is far spent. The day is at hand.
Yep, the day is talking about the kingdom of heaven. Because after this place is destroyed, God is going to have Christ come back and set up his kingdom on the face of the earth. Okay, America.